As the first person of my family that goes to college, the Columbus Promise program was the perfect opportunity to kind of show the world who I can be.
It's a promise, essentially, to give kids free college. They know life has been hard for the last few years, so giving this opportunity and outlet to give people motivation to go to school for free is a blessing.
I always knew I wanted to go to college, but this opportunity gave me like a real reason to want to actually go.
You get 2 years free. At least you'll get like an associate's degree and you can get somewhere with that.
Before I hear about the Columbus Promise, I was like confused what should I do next, and when I hear about the Columbus Promise, like it gave me hope.
We had a field trip from our school to come visit Columbus State, and I took the opportunity to come because I do want to go here. I heard they had a good nursing program.
Come to Columbus State first, since take the advantage of those 2 years and then see what it will take you from there.
Getting a degree means to me like I'm succeeding in my life.
I came to America and I'm the first person in my family. I will get my degree here and they will be very exciting and proud of me.
I'll be more so proud of myself, knowing this is something I did. It'll make me feel like I did something great, you know?